Okay, here we're gonna show you how to fix the iPhone cable when it become broken on the head. Here, this is what using material that you have available at home. Any material, a simple way to fix it in a very good way. So we got it this way with a thread. We do this. We keep wrapping the whole broken area. Cover all the broken area with thread. When we finish, we tie it. And lock it. See? And then we get nail liquid. How you call it?
Nail polish.
Nail polish.
The clear one.
Better if it's a clear one, but you could have any color, it doesn't matter. You do this. You cover it up, all the thread. We let it dry. Let it dry for a few minutes. I had to dry it myself because I'm filming with my cell phone, and you know the cell phone doesn't have a pause, so I had to finish it, the filming using one shot. So you can see no danger at all.